Na mi sorry lo yupla, na mi sorry lo mi tu. Na mi sorry lo man who said backside lo mi. So me no autim talk, me shotim. But so can stop listen by me karim lenge, me like karim na. I'm talk lo yupla. Me na karim go back lo yonki na autim lo yonki. Me na go lo man plahab na karim lo nara plahab. Me like talk lo yupla. No, me give lo yupla. Yupla kisina lo kautim. Van bela? Okay, so after me starting the summit to go say one time. Me make him on tap. Me working on him. Bilum, thank you. Yes, me working bilum start me hali man slovet, one to talk. Me hali man him. Who side by no you no can talk. Who side come here last night na who side can talk me. Me been working bilum start na. Me hali one to talk. One to web. One straight. Yes, thank you. Okay. You play who said you na harim last night? Who said you plan out the sokam? Me you play Paul looking white my snap now you talk and you play get one time you play. So talk easy, talk behold. No can hurry up. Talk easy. Behold. Now. You plan to say English, by me learning you play English. You can learn me to type binina, na nie John English, now by me learning to behold. Am I right? Sorry, me talk. Sikira do minara plakain so mali mali. Okay, behold. M consists of two words. Behold. So where them hold and straight. All beginning. Suppose you put broken behold one another. By one and something come up. One there by B. Me talk you talk B. Okay, now let's talk hold. M. Okay, so suppose you me look at me that read the Bible. Don't go to platin me to talk nothing. Me that read the Bible on John chapter 20. Oi. Hello. Look, behold. Please, thank you. Okay, me like read John chapter 20, now verse 26 go down. Okay, John chapter 20. Who said you could try to pass the comment and Bible checking me? Non good me out him talk nothing. Checking me talk straight on alright. Me let's out him talk with me yet. Me like out him talk the Bible stuff. Checking me. Okay, John chapter 20. Now me body to 26 go down. Or on top of it. Okay. Story of Thomas. I'm talking about now Thomas, sorry, me read the English. Nani John. Now Thomas, called the twin, one of the 12, was not with them when Jesus came. The other disciples said to him, "We have seen the Lord." So he said to them, "Unless I see in his hand the print of the nails, and put my finger to the print of the nails, and put my hand into his side, I will not believe." And after 8 days, his disciples were together again. Just one of the favorite words of the Bible, again, me just like him. And Thomas was with them. Jesus came, the doors being shut, and stood in the middle and said, "Peace to you." And then he said to Thomas, "Reach your finger here, look at my hands, and reach your hand here, and put it into my side, and do not be unbelieving, but believing." I'm the person, that's a disciple, all boom one time. But Thomas also, I'm talking he was not with them. All that 12 disciples, all boom one time. Now Thomas and talk, he wasn't there. I'm not start with this lahab. Now me like ask me, you start with here or not? We will talk behold. So one plus we talk be here. Be here. So no good Jesus come, now you no stop. What you sit down and finish good through the cell, now you start in class, you know, very nice, close, nice, love, what you present here. Now you hear? Behold, be here. No good, you very nice for nice flow, or something, now you come stop here, now you stop away. Thomas, one of the 12, was not with them when Jesus came. Me like talking to you. Jesus stop finish. Now you stop or you not stop? You stop away. Go to down to mother and talk. You stop away. You stop it, man, this one. You must have come from Mary Blue to Casino, man. You stop it. And body blue, you stop it. Now you yet you stop the way. Now good thing do you stop a banana pot you lose in the house. Now good thing do you stop the mujin to murder so by you go around. Now good thing do you stop to move the story after one story of the house man and you sit down and you stop. You yet to stop the here body blue stop it. Now you stop the way. And the behold. Be here when Jesus up. Suppose you may read him Lord Genesis, some story of Lord Jacob. I'm running away and put you one plus pillow, one plus stone and put him on some pillow and sleep. Now I'm talking about Genesis 28:16. Then Jacob awoke from his sleep and said, surely the Lord is in this place and I wasn't even aware of that. Me I'm talking about surely 100% God stopped here. Now you saw this or not? You look someone or not? You make him angel become a noisy one and an angel become a seven. I'm stop finishing. Now you are aware of that. Don't know that. You start finishing that. You stop aware. You stop it. You wash him close. Behold. First time I'm talking you be here. Non good I'm talking Sam. Now Thomas, one of the 12. And I don't go hiding man. You know, not a no disciple yet. Was not with them when Jesus came. And the other disciples said to him, we have seen the Lord. My friend, you got two choices. First choice, and by you look him Jesus straight. Ask him to finish. Look, behold. First, by you look him Jesus straight. On another second choice, by you have him story, but not as the man who said look him finish and by come story. Onlara babasına testimony sen manu cinema. This kind of story, but story you know by harim ta so story blonara man. Now you here? Lo Friday, youth night lo Friday lo mi lo promise land lo yonki. Mi all youth night. Na mi watchim all worship video. Kind of some all big church lo nara plus how worship. Now just some nice na hard story. How worship now just nice threat. Now, you need to remember something. You got two choices. Or you by worship or Sam, or not you by just look, that's all how I'm not a worship. Or by you serve Jesus and Husay, or not by just Harim story for Narapa. Me I pass, na me karap lavara, na go the right in me. I'm good, you sit down na Harim. Now you here. Suppose God can talk him on Narapa, why not you? Amen. Me been talking this on Blaha, but I mean I'm talking for this is a wet testimony. Suppose you reading Bible on writing the English or writing the Greek. So suppose you reading this wet testimony, meaning the wet testimony in Greek, it means again for you nothing special about me. You mean one kind man or some you miss another stuff. Nothing special. Suppose me like this. But God can do it again for you. You one time. Amen. Look again. Okay. After 8 days, his disciples were together again. You put again. Me just like him this again. And Thomas with them. Jesus came, the doors being shut. Me like talking about closed doors, but not stopping Jesus. You yet you can pass him all get a door blow life to you. You yet you call him Kivleme. Otumbuna can pass him door blow. Government can pass him door blow. But this a closed door. I'm not stop him. Jesus will come inside. I'm talking. They were together again, and Thomas said, Jesus came. The doors being shut. All pass him door good through, but this a door and pass. I'm not stopping Jesus will come go inside. You think you hide and stop me, you pass him door, you pass him window, you go and in the bed and carve up the blanket. This are not stop him, Jesus will come look him you. You let's look him and let him come look him you. Okay. And Jesus came and stood, Jesus came and stood in their midst. I'm not just come, I'm come to snap na mel. All leaders of the church, you plus tapa. Jesus, you know, I'm not like just present, Lolo to blow you me. I'm like, stop now, Mel, in the midst. Lo family, oh mama. Jesus, you know, like just stop inside the house, do you mean? I'm like boss in this house, and I'm like stop. I'm not like just stop around the corner. If I'm not like put him Jesus and this across the corner around the house, and by stop. Put him Jesus now, in the midst. Now, mellow house, do, now mellow church, do, now mellow family, look at everything. And he said, peace to you. First for something, where Jesus get up. First for something, I'm talking about disciples. This is the most important. I'm talking peace to you. I'm not talking hello. I'm not talking like him, you plan. I'm not talking be healed. I'm not talking some kisim plan Chicago na money. First for something, Jesus can't talk. I'm talking some peace to you. Why? Because peace is important.
Amen. Balance.
Now the so you me talk, or talk na me to talk na email that I'm talk. Suppose wara noise na Italian na look you are wara. Suppose I'm not piscine in gout na Italian na looking piscine and seta. How about you sabe? You Christian or you no Christian? Suppose peace is stop. Peace you got peace na the house family believe it means that you are believing. I'm talking peace to you. Do not be unbelieving but believing. Me talk finish. Presence the boss come and noise. When I'm kind noise, get up the house do you. Me like asking. When I'm kind, you can smile, I'm good. You can smile, means say you can kiss him good. Presence the body not come knocking. I'm say come and noise. When I'm kind noise, get up the house do you. Behind the shut doors. Now the soul that the me out talking to finish. Suppose this a kind nose the plate what cup fire up na fly or some flies na about. It means that me talk you reach your finger here and look at my hands and reach your hand here and put it to my side and do not be unbelieving but believing. I'm not talking Sam. Okay, now you forget to go lotto. Get up na go lotto. I'm not talking Sam. I'm not busy to go lotto na gat. I'm talking. Do not be unbelieving but believing. When I'm something you may hide him, believe him. Believe him. That's the point. What's the point of going to church? Suppose Jesus in the staff namel in the midst of house blomitra.
True.
Family blomitra. You go come knocking. Me the go about the door to boom here. Out of call. Or get the ship come from. Finish. Or get to go back. Now about the call. Now I'll get to crossfire go come smooth. Go knocking around knocking to see winning. What's the point of coming to church? Suppose church you can not him go inside the house do you? You me, okay, me including me too. Okay. After we talking you for finish. You don't need him hard him not after sermon again. You need him just by touching him. You don't need to hard him talk again. You need to believe him this talk, not leave him this talk. Angel by noising water, I'm seta, and by noising water. But suppose sick man, you know, can rap him, excuse me. Ask them, you know, go call up inside the water, nothing will happen. Sorry, me excuse you. Me to again, suppose to sit down or some. Now suppose angel noising water finish. Now you may not get up, now you may not call up the water, nothing will happen. You can sit down beside the water for 10 years, 40 years, 50 years, you can die beside the water. Now you can look him, not up by come na go, keep him right there. Now you can sit down yet. Unless you get up, let's do something. Unless you believe him, nothing will happen. You can hide him. But unless you believe him, nothing will happen. Boy, thank you. Last story and finish. Sorry, not this time with this time, not true story, but maybe, me no sabe. Maybe no. Once a man, and pray to God, and talk to Sam. Papa God, please show me heaven. Me like looking heaven. Me not like go die and go now yet, but me just like one spy of heaven. Now I'm silly. Man is silly percent now. I'm 3 man or 7 go to heaven finish. Me talk you for nice talk. All nice talk device and up na wara na. Nice them hard to talk. Nice threat. Now I'm looking for angel, now old man Mary, I'm a mask, now wearing white clothes, and all that man, I'm a mask, now got one for sick, now got one for pain, now got one for heavy. I'm just nice na best. Now, inside the hobby, I'm looking one for the big bush device and nothing. Now, I believe this bush device, you got to play yaw, this and yaw. Боді, ногат, ман ногат, папа плояв і настав. Тут плояв надпис, на плогав не став. На мене пав на маски менеджери, на яу я саменем. Папа плояв і ве. На ето кепла я сорем ток. Папа плояв гола хелфая фініш. Хочем скин downstairs на істати. На матки напиток на яу я меки мене. Ногате мене, стало граун, я там лайк стретло ходим ток благой. Огата лоту найк, лоту сан, every time we put him radio blame, nem harim tok благой. So я блем голо heaven. Нам єтем хотим скиніло плес хотлені. На файн історія, бо ми будем юмі огата харим, ходим не слая, будем і ток. Баю голо heaven, юбай гоє. Leva, yogoe, na mi єте? Я її захарим, на юбелімо на вас. Чесно, на токи мол disciple, про нас харим ток. Ам ток юбла харим, на белівім, на лівім. Окей, sorry, локи сим даєм блю, плеєм, та що ми піднішлася.
Family morning. Name Lomi Kuda Ono. Plus Lomi Yonki. Mi belong close to Tasolong, Topetaga, France. Abrusim Kamandai go Mamarain. Mi belong Mamarain. Mi will stop Council President Harold Kasub. Mr. Council, triple 10, 15 year Mr. Council, Blong, Tarora Kasub, Mr. 5 years President, non Tarora Kasub, Council President. Bian, election ikam migo resist milus, no Council. Hi Mr. Young player mama carry me man long, me born long, Lutheran church. Me yet, me pass through long, boy, smoke, passing blood is like ground. Time me young player, me say like play rugby round. Time me play rugby round, meeting, mixing mama mas, hemba helping me. Tasol Islam mama and helping me. Short la time tasol. Time me grow up, me got car, me say lorim passing day go come, me got dina, me make him also meeting, I'm a mass stop inside. Me make him also mix him, I'm a mass short la time. Meeting Islam mamas by helping me, no God. Time me grow up, me come a big plumber, no community, all looking me also, you fit, no come up leader. All marking me first round, Mr. Kanchola. Forward, number 2 round, 2 all marking me come. Number 3 round, all marking me. Triple time, Mr. Kanchol. Number 4 round, me register Council President, me win. Mr. 5 la time, 5 years no council meeting also. Me come up leader man. So passing by helping me. Mix him how much short la time. Now me looking also past I go past line. Mrs. Outing talk. Meeting also. Sla passing me walking them cook la bat. Time me harim talk. Me sense in passing below me. Me bearing big pla. Me believe. Me look also. Walk about bell me stop. And you're right. Past time me no bearing big pla. Pastor talk finish, me go to house, Mary walking walk good, Mary cooking can get but still no ga aswaron, kick him plate yet. House him on something no house yet, bagrap him yet. Time me behind him big plow, me look him, me got belly see, Papa God kissing me behind him big plow. This last time me now me stop, me no got one plow belly, me no got one plow coros. Me no got one pla. Kind passing me look him and me no kupla no stop lo me. See a passing you go away. now me amamas, now me round lo walk lo big pla, me looking me ka belly sin, now me challenge you 1-1, you lead a man, you 1-1.